Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick video, I guess. Or by quick I mean there's probably not a lot of me talking or explaining in it because I didn't record very much of it. It's basically this, which is a new scape that I've done, and it's just going to be a video of everything that I managed to capture for my little better Aries. So enjoy, and hopefully you get some inspiration and stuff from it. So I'll just leave you with the video. Thanks guys.